Hey yo, this is Pino with Sneak Ink, and welcome back to another restoration video. I got my work cut out for me today. I'll be restoring a pair of Space Jam Jordan 9s. I'm still trying to figure out where this client got the black tongue from on these shoes. They usually come in white, but I'll figure that out later time. Back to the restoration. So as you can see, the shoes are pretty beat. I mean, I don't know if they were basketball shoes, or hooping shoes, or what, but as you can see, they are pretty done. They need a good cleaning. The toe box needs to be creased out. Just probably a repaint on the whole uppers. Shoes gonna need a lot of work, but it's nothing I can't do because I do it all. Let's get it started.
Losing control now, fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright, girl. She's falling, but she doesn't think you can. She got them goods, yeah. Ooh, I'm a thief, I know. Got your heart and soul in a bag that's closed and sealed. Never bought no soul, close to mine or hoe, and she already know what the deal. Ooh, she's involved with the scheme. She's the Lord of the Ring. Let's disappear, Copperfield. Nothing known, nothing need. I'm a thief, we some freaks, more plans than just copying.
Alright, so after a good cleaning, we got the shoe, we got all the dirt and grime off, and I mean, it looks decent, but it's still not at the level that I want it to be at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the shoe dry, and I'm going to use flat white paint I'm just going to repaint the entire uppers, the white up here, and I'm going to do the white on the midsole down here. I'm going to paint over the Jordan symbol down here at the bottom when I do the flat white, then I'll come back once the white dries and repaint the symbol red. Once again, I'm going to use acetone to prep the leather, and I'm not going to be doing any taping on this one as well. I'm just going to freehand it. Like I said, once it dries, we'll see what happens, man. I'll get back to you in a minute.
They call me sensei, enough with chopping it up. Let's get to moving in the new. Off with my disguise, styles is finna rise. Let what I supply, apologize. Know you easy to bruise. Make it hurt so good, babe. I'ma make it hurt so good. She said, boy, come get these goods. Tryna get your legs high. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick 'em up. It's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. It's a stick up, it's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick up. It's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. It's a stick up, it's a stick up, babe. Gotta get away sometime. Tryna get away from these violent gunshots. My honey bunny, she driving, I'm Clyde, and I'm riding gunshot. And she ain't tired of robbing, cause I'm Batman. Love how she using that Gatman, yeah. Tryna get away sometime, yeah. Tryna get away with crime. Tryna get your legs high. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick 'em up. It's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. It's a stick up, it's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick up. It's a stick up, babe. Tryna get your legs high. It's a stick up, it's a stick up, babe. I crash, whiplash, you last, girl. Drive a million miles on your curves. Let's explode. Let's explore. Blindsided instantly when I was trying to leave. and her broken-hearted insecurities told her so many fish in these streets and ample opportunities. I swear I wear my engine on my sleeve. Out of nowhere came and injured me when you crashed. When you crashed into me. No accident, no accident. She's smoking like a car accident. Car accident. Who's at fault for all this happening? All this happening. I'll take the blame. Let's share this lane. Let's share this flame. Got love to gain. When I crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, let's share. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, let's share. Crash into you, yeah. No seatbelt, glad decision. You can get your roadkill in this head-on collision. Any position, the mission to blow the bottom out your engine. Permission to fork in that road rage. Wrap it around that pole bay. Crashing into that wall. Like said it all. Nobody robbed. Just your body being broke off like we breaking the law. That's a loud ordinance. It meant for GPS. I know your routes and your coordinates. And I ain't stopping for no combo. Sex drive-through. Number one combo. You don't know Jay Simpson on the highway with that Bronco. I'm just looking for that come on. She looking for that come up. You can't drive in that rain. I prefer to crash. She said don't pull out my track. My locomotive is smashed. This ain't no Mr. Glass. No surviving that blast. Her supplying that man. Then I'm crashing that van. Like crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you, crash into let's share. Crash into you, yeah. Crash into you.
So it's done. It's over. I finished the restoration and it came out great. I repainted the white on the uppers and I repainted the white down here on the midsole. Painted over the Jordan symbol with the flat white, then went back over it and repainted it with the red. All in all, like I say, this shoe came out really well. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. Took about 3 to 4 coats on the uppers and about 2 or 3 coats on the midsole on the flat white. But all in all, came out really well. As usual, leave me some likes, comments, let me know anything I can do better. Any questions you have for me, Peanut from Sneaky.
80 and a 60, fuck a tick, cause I ain't had that pussy in a minute. I told her when I get it, I'ma hit it. She told me that she want it, I'll be there when I'm finished. Oh girl, I'm on the way. Ay. I just left the club and I'm about to make a play, I'm on the way. Wait.